यार वहाँ मार्केट लो जा रहा है और यहाँ मेरा बीपी, क्या करूँ?
म्यूचुअल फंड है ना, मैं बताता हूँ, सेल कर दे। एंड मार्केट भी लो है, बस सेल कर दे बस।
Man, my boyfriend's not giving me attention.
I see.
And mutual funds are not giving me returns.
I see.
Yuck, man.
अरे सो जस्ट स्विच ना।
What? Mutual funds or boyfriend?
बहुत
What?
सुन, इधर आ। मेरा चाचा का लड़का ना सीए है, ईयर एंड होने से पहले म्यूचुअल फंड बेच दे, ठीक है? टैक्स बचेगा।
इनफ ना हो यार, बहुत हुआ, सबको मिला के पागल
अबे
बना
क्या
दिया।
हो गया?
What bro? Why did you call me here?
इतनी देर से देख रहा हूँ you're spreading wrong information about exiting from mutual funds. Tell me what exactly do you know about exiting?
अरे bro, I'll tell you. It's a very simple fund, okay? पहले तो मैं फंड का एनालिसिस करता हूँ, ठीक है? अपना मार्केट रिसर्च करता हूँ, ठीक है? देन whoever is my investment advisor, मैं उसकी भी बात सुन लेता हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत, ठीक है? देन लास्ट में मैं एक impromptu डिसीजन ही ले लेता हूँ, you know?
मतलब अपने दिल की सुनता है।
अरे bro, you get it, man.
Not funny at all.
This was necessary.
Okay, this is not funny. अगर तेरे को बैंगलोर में नया घर लेना है, अपने घर को छोड़ के नया घर लेना है, तो what will you do? You'll check the rent, you'll check the amenities, you'll check the locality, you'll check the facilities, parking है या नहीं, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो चेक करेगा और उसके बाद लेगा ना। ऐसा नहीं है कि बस मन हुआ, मेरा दिल करा, दिल को पसंद आ गया ये घर और मैं शिफ्ट हो गया। Doesn't work like that ना। तो सिमिलरली म्यूचुअल फंड से एग्जिट करते टाइम भी देयर आर वेरियस फैक्टर्स दैट यू नीड टू कवर, और उसके बाद यू कैन डिसाइड वेदर टू सेल और नॉट। इट्स नॉट जस्ट लाइक रिलेशनशिप की मन किया और एग्जिट कर दिया।
तो फिर कैसे फैक्टर्स होते हैं?
See, so if you want to sell your mutual funds, then you should sell only when your investment objective जिसके लिए तूने इन्वेस्टमेंट करना स्टार्ट किया था, अगर that investment objective is achieved, then only you should sell your mutual funds. If you cannot just sell it because the market is going low or the market is underperforming or something like that.
अच्छा, बट व्हाट इफ मेरा फंड परफॉर्म ही नहीं कर रहा फिर?
हाँ, तो इस केस में ये नहीं कि तुम स्विच कर लो, यही एडवाइस दे रहा था ना तू लोगों को।
हाँ, बट ऑब्वियस सी बात है ना, इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ रिलेशनशिप, राइट?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है। First of all, you need to compare which mutual fund you are switching from and to.
Okay.
So let's say you want to switch from fund A to fund B because you think fund B is better. But you should first see why fund A is not performing well. थोड़ी रिसर्च करो and try to understand, is the fund performing bad because of the market condition, management strategy or portfolio selection or maybe any other reason.
अच्छा, ओके, तो फिर हाउ डू आई नो विच फंड इज परफॉर्मिंग बेटर देन द अदर?
See, it's very simple. You just have to search for that category. Let's say if you're searching for large cap funds, you just have to search for large cap funds on the internet and you will find a lot of pages on the internet where you will be seeing the list of all the large cap funds.
ओके,
Just compare their 1 year, 3 year and 5 year tenure that you feel comfortable with. Then check what returns they have generated in the past.
ओके,
Also see if only your fund is underperforming or if all the funds in that category are underperforming. If all the funds are underperforming, then तुम्हारे फंड की कोई गलती नहीं है। वो भी बेचारा मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है और इक्विटी लिंक भी है, तो वो अकेला तो प्रॉफिट दे नहीं पाएगा ना।
गॉट इट.
So if all the funds are going down, then you should hold on to your fund. Because तू अगर उसको स्विच करके किसी दूसरे लार्ज कैप फंड पे भी जाएगा, तो there also you will face losses only.
अच्छा, so what you mean is that I should take it on a case by case basis.
Exactly.
अच्छा, बट अब अगर मेरे को टैक्स बचाना है, then I should sell that mutual fund before the year ends, right?
कहाँ से लाता है तू ये आइडियाज? दिस इज द डम्बेस्ट थिंग आई हैव एवर हर्ड कि टैक्स बचाना है तो साल के एंड में म्यूचुअल फंड सेल कर दो। आई मीन इस बात का ना तो कोई सर है ना तो कोई पैर है।
But
ये तो
क्यों?
अच्छा है मैंने सुन लिया, तू और किसी को जाके मत बोलना ये प्लीज।
अरे बट
सी, in mutual funds there is a brilliant category called ELSS mutual funds.
Okay.
Now what happens in this, if you invest 1.5 lakh in ELSS mutual funds, that will get directly reduced from the annual income.
okay,
Okay, and your tax will be calculated on the remaining amount. So let's say your taxable income is 15 lakh per annum and you have invested 1.5 lakh in ELSS mutual fund. So now your tax will be calculated on 13.5 lakh per annum. That 1.5 lakh that you invested in ELSS will be directly reduced from 15 LPA.
Okay.
Okay, but there's a trick. तूने जो 1.5 लाख इन्वेस्ट किए हैं ELSS म्यूचुअल फंड्स में, उसमें 3 साल का लॉक इन पीरियड है.
Lock in as in?
मतलब for 3 years you have to stay invested and you cannot withdraw from it. So after 3 years you can do one thing. 3 साल तक तू 1.5 लाख लगा और आफ्टर 3 years जो तेरा पहले वाला इन्वेस्टमेंट था उसको तू निकाल कर वापस से इन्वेस्ट कर दे ELSS में.
अरे वाह यार.
So repeat this cycle after every 3 years. Exit from an ELSS fund after 3 years and invest again in it. So what will happen is, for the first 3 years you have to invest
4.5 lakhs.
Yes, 4.5 lakh, and after that every year you are saving 1.5 lakhs of tax without investing any new money. So in this way you are saving more and more taxes without investing any new money.
Okay, now I get it यार. ये सब थोड़ी ना बताया यार मेरे चाचा के लड़के ने.
CA है ना तेरे चाचा का लड़का?
Yes, certified assistant.
Okay, coming back to the topic, it's not a very healthy way to save taxes. क्योंकि मार्केट में उतार चढ़ाव रहते हैं और ELSS म्यूचुअल फंड्स में सारा पैसा इक्विटी में इन्वेस्टेड रहता है. तो इट्स गुड फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म, नॉट फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म. 3 years इज कंसिडर्ड शॉर्ट टर्म. इट्स गुड फॉर 5 years और मोर. अगर तू 3 साल में पैसा निकाल रहा है ELSS में से, तो इट्स नॉट अ वेरी हेल्दी थिंग.
Okay,
ओके,
got it. तो अब exit load कैसे पे करना होता है?
see, exit load is nothing but the charges that the AMC takes for withdrawing early. Like I said, that equity funds are good for long-term investments. So the AMC doesn't want you to withdraw early. They want you to stay invested. And for that, they impose an exit load. It generally, in equity funds, it will be around 1% if you withdraw before the completion of 1 year. And it depends and it changes from fund to fund.
But what if I exit within or after 1 year only? Then?
So if you are exiting from mutual funds within 1 year, then it will be taxed as per STCG, and if you are exiting after 1 year, then it will be called LTCG.
Okay.
But that depends from the category to category. Like in debt category, LTCG is considered after 36 months.
Okay.
So that also you have to check. You can go through the mutual funds description before investing to find out what kind of tax will be applicable to you.
But what if I want to exit after 1 year only then?
Then you will be charged as per LTCG and STCG.
अच्छा, तो exit कब करना चाहिए यार?
देख, सबसे पहले तो तेरे को ये समझना पड़ेगा कि म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर मेंट फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, स्पेशली इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स. सो इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स, you must stay invested for at least 3 years, I believe, or more than 5 years would be a better choice.
Okay.
And if your investment objective is achieved, then only you should exit. Before that, you should see whether your fund is taking you towards your financial objective or not. If it is underperforming compared to similar funds of the same category, then you should make a switch, like we discussed earlier. So another thing that you need to consider is if you find better investment opportunities. Let's say if there is a new NFO in the market, or there is new stock or something like that that you think will be giving you more profit or taking you towards your investment objective more comfortably, then you should switch from your mutual funds and invest in that, in new investment opportunity.
Got it. And what about overnight funds?
Overnight funds and liquid funds, they are meant for short term. Like if your investment objective is very short term, you have some surplus cash with you and you don't need it for like 3 to 6 months, then you can put your money in overnight funds or liquid funds. And you can also use those liquid funds as a savings account, because there is a brilliant feature with them. Some of the liquid funds allow you to withdraw within 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
अरे यार इतना तो बैंगलोर में ऑर्डर डिलीवरी रेट भी नहीं होती.
Exactly. And
सही.
that makes them a good alternative to bank savings account. I
Okay.
personally use them as an alternative to savings account.
Oh wow, amazing.
Yeah, I get better returns also compared to the savings account.
Okay. Amazing. Thank you so much यार, तूने इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा ज्ञान दिया है अभी मेरे को. And next time मैं तेरे से NFO के बारे में पूछूंगा, but for now I'm going to share all of this wealth of wisdom with the others. Okay, चलो ठीक है, bye.
भाई सुन, ऐसा नहीं होता है, इस मोह माया में मत रह. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.